What's up, guys? Just doing a little update video. Put some mud flaps on the truck. They fit okay. There's a bit of a gap there. I mean, they were 40 bucks on that Jungle website. Yep, tires look nice. At least they'll protect the rockers from any more rusting issues. I'm gonna cavity wax that, spray it real good. Since my body mount is flipped, it's settled a little bit, but I have a replacement one. Dorman, not a sponsor, junk, made this, and this was 35 bucks from, I don't know if I can't remember. I might have gotten it from the local parts store, but just so I could return it if I didn't use it. But at least it'll be good for a template if I had to just fix the one that's up there, even though I made some templates, but that's even better. Oh, funny enough, original paperwork for the truck, right in the back seat. You can believe that. Craziness, I think. Either that or it was something else. Be funny if it was like a washer or dryer, but I just looked at it quick the other day. Oh, and I got some steel underneath the floor mat. Yeah, so I got the S&B mouthpiece. I'm waiting on the Banks sorry, not upper intake. I'm waiting on the Banks intake system. Those mud flaps look all right. Once I get that, I'm gonna do a video on doing the intake work to this thing. I might extend the rear mud flaps a little bit just to protect the back a little better, because they said they were the rear mud flaps, but I swear they probably would have gone on the front, but the front had a cutout like it was made for it more. So I don't know, really weird, so whatever. Because these have like this weird cutout right there that didn't match up perfect. It's kind of like they were made more for a cat eye than they were GMC, but whatever. They're gonna protect it better than nothing. Toolbox isn't mounted down. Don't know if I love the toolbox. Got like $700 worth of wood in the back though. Brand new. Yeah, so I don't know. The toolbox might go or stay. I have like 3 of these style toolboxes because I've gotten them over the years. Interior is pretty clean, staying clean. Aside from, you know, parts. Next on the agenda, if you guys want to see it, let me know. I'm thinking about taking the driver's seat out, replacing the lower cushion and the leather. Not the upper though. It looks all right. And maybe the armrest, maybe patch some foam into that and put a cover over it because they sell covers for these. So if you want to see that video, there's a couple of videos on YouTube, but not really great ones. So if you guys want to see that, I'll try to film it. Maybe Christopher will help me do it. He loves annoying work. Headliner. Truck's perfect, except for this here headliner. It's not annoying to me yet. It'll probably get annoying to me soon though. So maybe do some kind of a diamond pattern, leather, pleather, or whatever. Or maybe just match the actual interior color instead of it being that. But I don't know, maybe they did that so it would lighten up the interior. I don't know. Anyways, thanks for watching. This is just the update video on what I've been doing with it. I have driven it a tiny bit. I got to put some fuel in it and put some miles on it, but I really didn't want to put some miles on it without putting mud flaps on it first so it wouldn't cake the underside with salt. It rained today, but as you can see, our parking lot still has a good coating of salt in it. So, you know, I don't want to get it completely covered in salt since I had it detailed. Not that it's a clean, non-rusty truck or anything. It's just me. It's actually turning to snow out there, it seems. Anyways, hope you guys like this one. Share it with your friends. It's kind of long for an update video, but, oh, and dang, the horn. The horn, they Mickey Mouse 2 wires attached together for the horn. It works all the way up to this point. It's either the horn, it's either this, there's a little finger that comes out to touch the cam ring in here. So it's either the finger or the cam ring that's worn out, but I have to take either the covers or the steering wheel off to get working on that. And I haven't gotten to that yet. My problem is I like to have a part on hand, so it's hard to get into something because I don't like taking things apart and leaving them apart. I'm not into it. So I might get the parts store to send me down both pieces because Dorman makes that cam ring cancel thing and Standard makes the switch. But this thing looks almost brand new, which makes me wonder if someone installed it wrong and broke the little thing off of it. But anyways, I digress, because this can be changed without taking the steering wheel off, but you have to fight with the covers. Anyways, so let me know what you want to see next on this thing. I will film the air intake stuff, so don't worry about that. But the seat thing is probably my next project after the body mount repair stuff. Let me know if you want to see the body mount repair stuff. It's going to be hard to film, but if you want to see it, I'll film it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell. Have a good night. Day, whatever you're watching this.